What's up guys? If you wish to use local account instead of Microsoft account on your Windows laptop or PC, there is an easy way to do this. Let's go. So first you need to make your way to settings. If you don't have the settings gear icon on the taskbar, you can just click on the Windows logo over here or press the Windows key on the keyboard and go to settings from here, or start typing settings. Then click on this settings label. Now head to accounts section. Here you can see you're logged in with the Microsoft account. So scroll down to account settings, click on your info, and now find this link, sign in with a local account instead. Click on this link. You can read this if you wish so. Click on next, enter your current PIN, enter your local account username, create password. You will need this password if you will change your mind and decide to log in with your Microsoft account back, so make sure you write it down somewhere. Now you can create password hint. Then click on next and sign out and finish. Now wait for signing out to be completed, and just click the screen and enter your PIN to log in with your local account. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.